Welcome to a short clip on the Cold War exam paper. And the Cold War exam paper focuses on the story of why the Grand Alliance collapsed between America, Britain and the Soviet Union, and why relations, especially between the USA and USSR, deteriorated so quickly between 1946 and 1948. And why, over the same period, tensions increased so much. Now, as I say, the questions focus on the story of the Cold War. So the questions focus on important events in this story. And the direction of travel, the direction of the focus of the questions tends to be on the chronology of events, how events unfolded, and also the consequence of events. And how these events increased tensions between America and the USSR and made relations so bad that the world itself was threatened with nuclear war. The key skill within these questions is the skill of explanation. So I know people struggled with the mocks, which is fair enough, because these questions were new to you. But the questions are actually pretty straightforward, really. One question is a narrative account. You're literally telling the story of an event, for example, the Berlin blockade, with the beginning, middle and end, and you're linking the 3 paragraphs. A second kind of question, which people struggle with, but actually is pretty straightforward, is explain the consequences of an event. So, for example, the Berlin blockade, what were the consequences and why did these consequences happen? So the creation of West Germany and East Germany and NATO. What were they? Why did they happen? And then the third kind of question focuses on why certain events are important in changing the nature of a relationship. So, for example, Marshall Aid has a very negative impact on the relation between Stalin and Truman and increases tension quite significantly. So, honestly, just read through some of your questions and go over this clip a few times and maybe make some notes, because actually it really is fairly straightforward in terms of the focus of the exam questions. Alright, thanks very much.